Hi everyone, and welcome to this first lecture of our C++ course. In this course, we will learn the C++ language. We will start from the beginning and gradually move on to making a grip on this language. Okay, so the first question that arises is, why learn C++? Basically, C++ is a powerful programming language widely used in various industries, such as software development, gaming, and finance. It is an extension of the C language built upon its foundation. C++ now includes many programming features, such as object orientation and template support, making it better than C. In this course, we will build an understanding of C++ and try to learn the language. Let's discuss some real-time examples proving that C++ is a powerful programming language. First, if we talk about your operating system, the first language of the operating system is C++ in all Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Regarding game development, the most popular games include World or Warcraft, Call of Duty, and Grand Theft Auto, or GTA. In all these games, C++ is used as the primary language. In web browsers such as Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, the browser's primary language is also C++. Primary language is the first language, the base or core of any software or app. Similarly, if we talk about financial applications like MetaTrader, TradeStation, or NinjaTrader, the first language of all these financial applications is C++. Now, if we talk about graphics and animations, the most popular tool Adobe Photoshop, Autodesk Maya, and Pixar, RenderMan, all these programs use C++ as their base language. You can now see that C++ is a widely used and powerful programming language through these real-time examples. So, we will study all these in detail in the next class. So, that's it for today's lecture. We will meet in the following lecture.